is in any way irreconcilable with the book of Genesis.
Hands. I could not reconcile these conflicting sets of hands.
That I can't reconcile.
How do you reconcile a second baptism?
I'm sad with the fact that, yes, I have killed people.
It's wanky.
So the whole reconcilement.
Right? We reconciled our shit.
Cannot be reconciled.
I have seen two things which cannot reconcile.
Systematized in the writings of Charles Darwin is in any way irreconcilable with the book of Genesis.
Would you state that question again, please?
So I got curious.
What about?
Hands. I could not reconcile these conflicting sets of hands. So my mind is my...
Positively D, those clothes.
That I can't reconcile.
You can't reconcile that.
Just keep knocking.
How do you reconcile a second baptism with the scripture you're so fond of quoting?
I have to reconcile myself with the fact that, yes, I have killed people. Not many people.
Monica Dexter, father-daughter business is wanky.
So the whole reconcilement thing? Reconciliation.
Look, me and Pops, we were okay, all right? We reconciled our shit.
You broke his heart, Tommy!
Differences, I'm afraid, cannot be reconciled.
Execute no one on my behalf. I have seen two things which cannot reconcile. A man dead.
I am prepared to reconcile. Thank you.
Then why wouldn't he use it?
The equation couldn't reconcile relativity with quantum mechanics. You need more.
More what? At minimum, I have done just that. In fact, I may well have reconciled thousands of years of theological disparity. But that's
a comedy of quarreling families reconciled in the discovery of Romeo to be the very same
all of it. I'm just not sure how to reconcile this.
Did you tell a blind man he couldn't have children?
She can't reconcile that.
You prayed tonight, Desdemona. If you bethink yourself of any crime unreconciled is yet to heaven and grace.
Talking about it, they got divorced. Irreconcilable differences. I suppose that's why I left Mount Holyoke and transferred
me into doing this for you. I convinced you that if the king and I are reconciled, he will be placed in your debt.